The upcoming DJI Avata 2, continuing a trend seen with previous DJI drone releases, has had its details fully revealed through a leaked unboxing video. This suggests that the FPV flying device will soon be officially unveiled to the public. The original DJI Avata, introduced in 2022, aimed to provide an accessible entry point into FPV flying. While it achieved this to a degree, it faced criticism due to certain design flaws and the absence of features like obstacle avoidance sensors. However, leaks surrounding the Avata 2 indicate efforts to address these shortcomings. Multiple unboxing and hands-on videos are circulating on social media platforms, with one particularly noteworthy video shared by the reliable source Quadro News. Prior to this, leaked images of the retail packaging for the Fly More combo had surfaced, further adding to the anticipation surrounding the Avata 2's imminent release. The unboxing video showcases the Avata 2 drone itself, which appears more compact compared to its predecessor, along with the new accessories included in the Fly More combo bundle: the DJI Goggles 3 headset, DJI FPV Remote Controller 3, and RC Motion 3 joystick controller. These items were recently spotted in FCC filings. What's notable about these unboxings is the glimpse they provide into the upcoming features, offering insights beyond the speculated specifications. Among these rumored upgrades is a larger 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor purportedly capable of capturing 4K video and 48-megapixel photos, along with DJI's latest stabilization technologies such as Rocksteady 3.0 Plus and Horizon Steady. A significant improvement seems to be in the noise department. While the original Avata was criticized for its loud operation, an 81 dB rating on the box of its successor suggests that the Avata 2 might offer a quieter flying experience. Additionally, the new DJI Goggles 3 headset's inclusion of 2 front cameras hints at potential augmented reality functionalities, which have garnered considerable interest among enthusiasts. Although earlier leaks hinted at a slight increase in weight for the Avata 2 compared to its predecessor, tipping the scales at 458 grams instead of 410 grams, the design appears more streamlined with a smaller body. Despite the abundance of leaks, the latest speculation on X suggests that the official launch of the Avata may not occur until mid-April. While our experience with the original DJI Avata was enjoyable, it didn't quite live up to the seamless flying depicted in its promotional materials. However, leaks surrounding the Avata 2 suggest significant improvements aimed at enhancing the user experience. Leaked still images from Quadro News indicate the presence of rear sensors on the Avata 2, which should bolster its automated safety features and reduce the likelihood of collisions, particularly with obstacles behind the drone. Although forward-facing sensors would have been welcomed additions, the inclusion of rear sensors is a step in the right direction for enhancing flight safety. The Avata 2's sleeker design and practical adjustments, such as relocating the SD card slot to the side of the drone instead of within one of the blade ring as seen in the original model, are appealing features highlighted in the leaks. While FPV drones remain a niche market, the Avata 2 has the potential to carve out a niche among hobbyists seeking both exceptional video capture capabilities and an exhilarating flying experience. While it may not top the list of best drones for the general consumer market, it could emerge as a favorite among enthusiasts, departing from the traditional perception of FPV drones as solely for tinkering enthusiasts. Details regarding pricing are yet to be confirmed, but for reference, the original Avata was priced at $629 without accessories, with the ProView bundle including the Goggles 2 and Motion Controller 2 priced at $1,388 in 2022. Thank you for watching.